if you don't want to listen my voice, then you can mute also. Hello guys, I'm Harry. So in this video I will tell you like how to edit your big head photos like this. So let's start a video without talking a lot. And if you're interested in giveaway, then go and check out the description. There will be a link of giveaway. You can join the giveaway from there. Okay, so let's get into the video without talking a lot. So if you like this video, then make sure to like this video and also comment, subscribe, share, whatever you want. So let's get into the video. So first of all, you have to add a photo and then duplicate that photo. Okay, duplicate that photo, and when you duplicate it, then you have to crop the face. So let's crop it. Crop the face. Then click on like, I don't know how to say this, and then save the photo. Sticker, this is like a sticker. Save the sticker and then like place it like little above, little up from the neck, so the neck will be little visible. Okay, so when you did this, then you can edit this by however you want. So your photo is ready. Hope you guys liked it, and if you liked it, then make sure to like this video and comment on this video, and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So if you want to know about like photography, videography, photo editing, video editing, then make sure to subscribe to our channel, because we will upload these kind of content 3 or 4 times a week. So go and smash the subscribe button.